In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Discord. Whether you're on the desktop app or the browser version, the process is the same, quick and secure. Logging out is helpful if you're switching accounts, using a shared computer, or just want to take a break. Start by opening Discord and heading to your user settings. You'll find the user settings gear icon near your username and avatar at the bottom left corner of the window. Click that to open your personal settings panel. Inside user settings, look to the left sidebar and scroll all the way down to the bottom. There you'll see the logout option. It's easy to miss if the window is small, so if you don't see it immediately, scroll the sidebar to the very end. Click logout. Discord will ask you to confirm. This quick confirmation prevents accidental signouts while you're in a call or working. In the confirmation pop-up, click logout again to finalize. Discord will close your session and return you to the sign-in screen. A couple of quick tips. Logging out will disconnect you from any voice channels and pause app notifications on this device until you sign back in. If you're using multiple workspaces or servers, there's no extra action needed. Logging out signs you out of your account entirely on this device. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready with your Authenticator app or backup codes when you sign back in. And if you share your computer, this is the best way to keep your messages and servers private. If the logout button doesn't appear, expand the window to full screen or reduce your zoom so the sidebar shows more options. On smaller screens, the settings panel can hide the bottom items behind a scroll bar. Signing out never deletes your account, servers, or messages. It only ends the active session on this device. When you're ready to return, just open Discord and sign back in with your usual details, and everything will be exactly where you left it. If you're on the web, the gear icon and logout are in the same spots as the desktop app, so the experience should feel familiar. That's it. Open user settings, click logout, and confirm. Simple, fast, and secure. If this walkthrough helped, go ahead and log out now to make sure you know where everything is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.